Welcome children in bio class. Children, in this class I am going to teach you transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Children, you studied we are taking fresh air into the lungs. Then from the lungs oxygen gas diffuse into the blood capillaries. The blood of the blood capillaries carries the blood to the different tissue of the body, organs of the body, cells of the body, and there oxygen gas is used for oxidation of glucose and energy release. And after the oxidation of food, carbon dioxide gas is produced. That carbon dioxide is coming again from the blood capillaries diffuse into the lungs. So children, I am going to teach you how oxygen is transported from the lungs to the different tissue of the body. So oxygen gas diffuse from the alveolar blood capillaries into the alveolar air due to difference in the partial pressure. So due to difference in the partial pressure means in the alveolar air oxygen is at high partial pressure. In the alveolar blood capillary oxygen is at low partial pressure. Therefore oxygen diffuse from the alveolar air into the blood capillaries, and there oxygen will come into the blood. Some oxygen dissolve in the blood plasma and rest combine with hemoglobin, and when it combine with hemoglobin it will form oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin is transported to the blood capillaries of the tissue. There oxyhemoglobin will dissociate, and after the dissociation, see this oxygen is coming, and oxygen when reach to the tissue cell, their oxyhemoglobin dissociate, will release the oxygen, and that oxygen again diffuse into the tissue, into the blood. So this oxygen in the tissue is used for cellular respiration, because in the tissue cells glucose is there, glucose is oxidized. So you know oxidation of glucose, there is C6H12O6, it combines with 6 molecules of oxygen, then it will produce 6 carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, and 38 ATP energy release. 38 ATP. This energy is used to carry out the life processes. So which carbon dioxide produced here in the tissue? That carbon dioxide diffuse into the blood from the tissue. Now carbon dioxide produced, this carbon dioxide diffuse into the tissue, from the tissue into the blood. So when carbon dioxide diffuse into the blood, now carbon dioxide is transported from here. So how the carbon dioxide is transported? 5 to 10% of carbon dioxide transported in the form of carbonic acid. Carbon dioxide enters the blood, it dissolves in blood plasma and form carbonic acid. So it dissolves in plasma and it is transported as a simple solution. So children, you have to see, in the plasma water is present and carbon dioxide dissolve in that, and then it will form carbonic acid. So in this form carbon dioxide is transported. Next is carbon dioxide is transported as bicarbonate. 5 to 10% of total amount of carbon dioxide is transported as carbonic acid, and this, in the normal course, formation of carbonic acid is a slow process. So in the presence of carbonic anhydrase, the speed of carbonic acid formation is increased. Carbonic acid ionize and form bicarbonate and hydrogen ion. So which carbonic acid form? This carbonic acid, that is H2CO3, it is going to dissociate into bicarbonate ion and hydrogen ion. This bicarbonate ion immediately combine with potassium ion, potassium salt of hemoglobin, and it form potassium bicarbonate. So this bicarbonate ion immediately combine with potassium salt of hemoglobin and form potassium bicarbonate. So in this form 80 to 85% carbon dioxide combine with sodium and potassium salt and form sodium carbonate and potassium bicarbonate. Now rest is carbon dioxide is transported as carb amino compound. It will combine with and form carb amino compound. Carb amino protein in plasma and carb amino compound in the blood. So blood with blood plasma, or that is plasma proteins, it combine and it will form carb amino compound. And some carbon dioxide transported by red blood cells in the form of carb amino hemoglobin. So this I told how is the transport of oxygen from the lungs to the tissue of the body, and from the tissue how carbon dioxide again transported to the lungs. So carbon dioxide transported in the form of carbonic acid, in the form of sodium bicarbonate, in the form of potassium bicarbonate, in the form of carb amino compound, in the form of carb amino hemoglobin. So this I told transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. If you understood video, like, share and subscribe it.